Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify can't play current song issue on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to play a song on your Spotify app but you are not being able to do that since it shows you can't play current song message, then here are some fixes you could consider. The first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Simply go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. If you're connected to any, make sure to switch between them. Or you can also try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then, once your connection is working, the next thing to do is to close off your Spotify app if it's running in the background. Now, tap open Spotify from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged in and try playing a song to find out if it fixes the issue. If you're still not being able to play the song, the next thing to do is to check if you have the latest version of Spotify app installed on your mobile device. Tap open Play Store and go to the search box at the top and type in Spotify in the search box. If you see an update button popping up right next to Spotify app, then make sure to update the application by tapping update. Once you see open, simply tap on the open button to launch the app open. Updating your application will help you fix bugs that has been infecting your application. Once you update, you might be able to solve the issue. The next thing to do is to set audio quality level on your Spotify app. From the main homepage, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Right under the settings menu, look for auto adjust quality option. Make sure that the slider next to auto adjust is turned off. Once you disable the button, set the audio quality manually by selecting an appropriate quality level in the Wi-Fi streaming and cellular streaming drop-down. If your Spotify app cannot play the current song with your preferred audio quality setting, make sure to switch between another quality level and try again. If that still does not help, you can simply uninstall your Spotify application by pressing hold to the app from the app drawer and tapping on uninstall. Confirm uninstallation by tapping OK in the pop-up at the bottom. Once you uninstall the app entirely from your mobile device, download the application back again and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you see can't play current song issue error message on your Spotify app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.